how to allow or deny app permission to contacts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Then tap on Contacts. Now in here, tap on the app that you want to change the permission. For example, WhatsApp. So at the moment, WhatsApp have full access. I can choose limited access, and from here I can only allow it to access certain contact, and then tap on done. Or I can choose none if I want to deny the permission to my contacts detail. I can select none. So none will deny all permission, or you can grant full access or limited access. Now tap on the back key, and then you can continue to change permission for other apps as well, such as Google Calendar, Messenger, Snapchat, and so on. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.